Want to command respect instantly? Whether it's at work, in social settings, or even with strangers, there are psychological tricks that can make people see you as a leader. Stay with me till the end, and I'll show you how to get instant respect in any situation. The psychology of instant respect. Respect isn't given, it's earned within seconds. Psychologists say people judge your status and dominance the moment you walk into a room. Commanding body language. The way you carry yourself determines how much respect you get. Here's how powerful people use body language to demand respect without saying a word. The power of strategic silence. Want to make people hang on your every word? Speak less. The most respected people don't rush to fill silences. They pause, making others listen harder. Value projection. Be someone worth respecting. People respect value. You don't have to be the richest or the smartest, but you must project value. Here's how to do it. Respect in social settings. Want instant respect in any room? Follow these 3 rules. 1. Speak clearly, no mumbling. 2. Make eye contact, show confidence. 3. Be unpredictable, don't be too available. Dressing and grooming for respect. Your appearance speaks before you do. Studies show that well-dressed individuals are perceived as more competent and respected. Here's how to level up your presence instantly. Setting boundaries for instant respect. Want people to respect you instantly? Set clear boundaries. The more you let people walk over you, the less they respect you. Now that you know the secrets to instant respect, will you use them? Comment below. What's one habit you'll start using today? And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more life-changing psychology hacks.